Motorola launched its new 5G-enabled smartphone under G series in India called Moto G37 Power, with a massive battery capacity. Now, let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Moto G37 Power features a tall 6.66-inch HD+ display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1050 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6400 chipset paired with Mali G57 and P2 GPU. As per the storage, this smartphone packs with 4 or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 16 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Moto G37 Power sports a 50-megapixel primary camera on the rear with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-in-1 light sensor. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 2K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes equipped by a massive 7,000 mAh battery with 30 watts turbo power charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.23 by 76.5 by 8.89 millimeters, and it weighs around 215 grams. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Moto G37 Power has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 15,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 18,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from May 25th in Pantone Nautical Blue, Pantone Impenetrable, and Pantone Capri color options. So, what do you guys think of this Moto G37 Power 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.